Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gary and today we are diving into a topic that's fundamental to success in digital age. That is why creating a website is essential. Whether you are a business owner, a creative professional or an aspiring entrepreneur, understanding the importance of a website is crucial for achieving your goal. First and foremost, a website serves as your digital storefront. Consumers rely on the internet to discover and engage with businesses in today's interconnected world. A well-designed website showcases your products or services and establishes credibility and trust with your audience. Moreover, a website provides unparalleled accessibility and reach. Unlike traditional brick and mortar stores, your website is accessible 24/7 from anywhere. This means you can connect with your potential customers around the clock, expanding your reach beyond geographical boundaries. Furthermore, a website is a powerful marketing tool. From search engine optimization to social media integration, your website is the cornerstone of your digital marketing strategy. It allows you to attract and engage your target audience, driving traffic and leads and ultimately conversions. Additionally, a website provides valuable insights through data analytics. By tracking visitor behavior and engagement metrics, you can gain valuable insights into your audience preferences and behavior. This data enables you to optimize your website for better performance and user experience. Creating a website is not just a necessity, it's an opportunity to elevate your brand, expand your reach and drive growth. Whether you are a business or a professional or a passionate individual, a website empowers you to thrive in the digital landscape. So, if you haven't already, now is the time to invest in your digital presence and unlock the endless possibilities of the online world. Once you have realized the importance of having a website, the next step is finding the right team to bring your vision to life. That's where hiring website developers from India comes into play. First and foremost, India is a home to vast pool of talented website developers. With a strong emphasis on technical education and a thriving tech ecosystem, Indian developers possess the skills and expertise needed to tackle even the most complex web development projects. Moreover, hiring website developers from India is incredibly cost effective. The lower cost of living and competitive labor market in India translates to significant savings for businesses without compromising on quality. You can get top-notch website development services at a fraction of a cost compared to hiring locally. Furthermore, Indian website developers are renowned for their professionalism and work ethics. They adhere to strict quality standards, deliver projects on time, and communicate effectively throughout the development process. By partnering with Indian developers, you can expect a seamless and hassle-free experience. Additionally, Indian development firms offer unparalleled flexibility and scalability. Whether you need a simple browser, website, or a complex e-commerce platform, Indian developers can tailor their services to meet your specific requirements. Plus, they can easily scale up or down based on your evolving needs. Now that you have realized the importance of having a website, the next step is finding the right team to bring your vision to life. That's where hiring website developers from India at Softtrix comes into play. As a leading offshore development company based in India, Softtrix specializes in website development and offers services tailored to your needs. With a proven track record of delivering exceptional results, Softtrix can help you navigate the complexities of website development and turn your vision into reality. Our dedicated team of skilled professionals is committed to delivering projects that exceed your expectations, ensuring a seamless and rewarding experience. In conclusion, hiring website developers from India is not just a smart choice, it's a strategic advantage. With their talent, affordability, professionalism, and scalability, Indian developers are well positioned to turn your website dreams into a reality. So, if you're ready to embark on your digital digital journey, consider partnering with Indian developers and unlock the full potential of your online presence. For expert guidance on hiring website developers from India and maximizing your digital potential, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. Until next time, happy website building. Thank you.